Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Geometry Dash, open the online section and choose Levels. This gets you straight to the search interface where ID work. Once there, focus on the search bar in the top area, make sure you have the 8-digit number or custom ID copied. Typing slowly avoids mistakes. If you pasted, glance to confirm no extra spaces. This step matters because an exact match is required to find user-created levels quickly and reliably. Now you enter the ID. Click the field and paste or type the characters exactly. Geometry Dash requires an exact string. Extra spaces break the lookup. For numeric ID, use digits only. For custom ID, match capitalization and symbols. Once done, press Enter or tap Search. Results populate beneath. If multiple results appear, use filters like difficulty to narrow it down. This accuracy saves time and prevents you from opening the wrong level. Finally, tap the matching result to open the level page and press play to load it. If nothing appears, re-enter the ID. Common errors are swapped digits or leading / trailing spaces, so correct those and search again. If the search still fails, close and reopen the app or clear temporary cache. Occasionally, the online index lags. Remember, precise input and a quick app restart usually resolve most problems, so try those before assuming the ID is invalid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.